In today's video, we are putting two DTF printing heavyweights head-to-head, the feature-packed MZK A3 and the reliable Procolored K13-Lite. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these printers, make sure to check the link in the description below. Starting with the printing core, the MZK uses the advanced F1080 printhead, an upgrade over older models, claiming to double your speed and deliver an astonishing 1880 by 1440 dpi resolution for incredibly sharp details, whereas the Procolored relies on its LiteHead technology, which is designed for easier maintenance and consistent output, though it may not match the top-tier speed. The MZK really leans into its innovative holiday mode with automatic timed cleaning to prevent the dreaded nozzle clogs during downtime, while the Procolored fights the same battle by automatically circulating its white ink every 30 minutes to keep it from settling, and it takes protection a step further with an infrared system that detects even a 2mm piece of warped film to save the printhead from damage. On the user interface, the MZK features a full 5-inch LED multifunction display that lets you check nozzles, clean heads, and adjust layouts without needing to constantly run back to your computer, whereas the Procolored keeps things simple with an intuitive touchscreen and a one-touch ink pumping system that is incredibly beginner-friendly. For productivity, the MZK bundles a handy film cutter right in the box and includes a generous software suite for rapid one-click printing, but the Procolored counters with its G7 certified color accuracy and optimized color curves, ensuring that what you see on your screen matches what comes out on the fabric, which is a lifesaver for brands who need consistent color. When it comes to the total package and support, the MZK offers an incredible deal with 2 years of free ink and powder, saving you over $1,000 on supplies, and it comes with a powerful, self-developed motherboard, though it is worth noting that the Procolored gives you a great start with 2 full sets of ink and powder, and offers a cleaner workspace with an optional smokeless oven to reduce fumes in small studios. Both printers are clearly designed to make you money, but they approach it from different angles. The MZK is the speed demon and feature-rich powerhouse that demands you learn its systems, while the Procolored is the dependable workhorse that focuses on simplicity and preventing mistakes. Ultimately, choosing the best depends on your workflow, but for creators who want maximum speed, advanced protection, and massive savings on supplies, the MZK A3 with its F1080 head offers an unbeatable value proposition that is hard to ignore, and you can find it at the best price through the link waiting for you right down in the description below.